The local music fraternity has been plunged into mourning following the sudden passing of popular reggae recording artist Daddy U. Roy. He was famous for this specific sound, weak sound and tell the people. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after the break with the details to come on the program.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Hard minutes to the godfather of the music, to the father who set it. We're foundational, big up Shabara. We're aspirational, we're inspirational. One and only, the greatest DJ of all times. That right, are you the father? Paper.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. The local music industry has been plunging into mourning following the sudden passing of one of our pioneer within the music space itself, Daddy U. Roy. Sad to say he passed away just this week. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt condolences to the family and friends of the late singer. Now, with this said, we're going to provide you with some update in relation to what happened to Daddy U. Roy leading up to his passing. But before we divulge the details of that, a number of high dignitaries, including fellow recording artists, have took to social media just in order to send condolences to his family. Those include the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Minister of Culture, Sports and Entertainment, Olivia Babsy-Grange, and also fellow recording artist Shaggy. Legendary pioneer of dancehall, Daddy U. Roy has passed away. The veteran toaster reportedly passed away in his native country of Jamaica on Wednesday night after ailing for some time. He was 78 years old. Tributes flowed freely on social media Wednesday night as the musician could be celebrated as one of our top members of the music space. And we here at Links 007 TV express sorrow of the passing of the pioneer who some describe as the godfather of the Jamaican music. International recording artist Shaggy also took to his social media platform and posted a tribute to the late recording star. Shaggy posted, "Today we have lost one of our heroes, a true legend in the game of dancehall and reggae. And if you're a fan of sound system, then you're a fan of stereograph sound. With such greats and Colin Josie Whale and Charlie Chaplin pioneers in the game, with a catalog of amazing recordings, U. Roy was a master of his craft. Rest in peace, Daddy U. Roy." And that was a post did by international recording artist Shaggy. Even on the international scene, a number of international figures also took to social media to express sadness at the passing of the pioneer within the music space. And so too, David Rodigan posted on his Twitter. He said, "R.I.P. Daddy U. Roy, the icon toaster who changed the Jamaican music when he voiced the version of Galore album. I was always in awe of him, the tone of his voice, and the lyrical content that he delivered," according to Mr. Rodigan. So with this said, it's a very sad moment right now in our dancehall music space. And Daddy U. Roy was born in Kingston, Jamaica by the name Ewart Beckford and is credited for popularizing the art of toasting on reggae rhythms in the early days of dancehall when the sound system ruled. Sir Daddy U. Roy burst on the scene during the heydays of Sir Clement Coxsone Dodd Studio One sound system on a record label, when the music that we now know as reggae and dancehall music was on the rise in Jamaica. So this individual is credited for also opening the door to allow rap and dancehall artists to realize the huge profit that they can gain from recording. He also was the owner of the sound system Stereograph, which honed the careers of veteran dancehall recording artists Charlie Chaplin, Josie Wale, Supercat, among many others. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness, also took to social media just to express sadness at the passing of the great pioneer of our music. The Prime Minister wrote on his social media platform Facebook, I join the rest of Jamaica in mourning the passing of a veteran singer, Hubert Beckford, popularly known as Daddy U-Roy. Many of us will recall his signature phrase, wait the sound and tell the people. Jamaica has lost a giant in the music industry. U-Roy will be remembered for his sterling contribution to reggae and dancehall by popularizing the art of toasting on various reggae dancehall rhythms in the early days of sound system. Daddy U-Roy is also credited for paving the way to allow rap and dancehall artists to realize the true potential of the music industry, and that was according to a post from the Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness. Also took to social media is the Minister of Culture, Gender, Sports and Entertainment, Miss Olivia Babsy Grange. Miss Babsy Grange also took the time to express sadness at the passing of the great pioneer of our music and stated that we have lost a veteran and one of the finest recording artists to date of our music. So we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences once more to the family and friends of the late reggae pioneer and dancehall pioneer as well, and the owner of the top sound system Stereograph, Daddy U-Roy. What would my brother? This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless, and we'll have more updates to come on this. This is where we say so long for now. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.